Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be exploring Class 7 Maths, Chapter 12. This is Algebraic Expressions. So let's begin. Example. Let's start with the example. 3x plus 2x minus 4. Now this is an expression, okay? This is an expression. But if you want it to be a equation, then you need that equal sign, okay? Remember, if I want to make this an equation, then I can be like 3x plus 2x plus, oh sorry, that's minus 4 is equal to something, okay? You can write minus 4 or something like that after you have solved it, obviously, which I haven't right now. So let's rub this out. Let's rub this out. Perfect. Let's start. Variables. Variables can be all the letters that are along with the numbers. And here in our example, we have got the x, right? We've got the x. Then we've got constants. Constants mean numbers or the values that cannot be changed. So those are the numbers, obviously, but because the variables can be anything, but the numbers stay what they are, okay? So 4 is a constant. Terms are all the values that I used. So it is 3x, 2x, 4, right? Factors or slash can be divided by. If you take 3x, for example, then it might mean that 3 and x are dividends of 3x, meaning they can be divided by that, or they are factors of 3x, right? Coefficient are just the number values in a term. I'll tell you what a term is, but the coefficient, if you take 2x, then the coefficient will be 2. But if you take 3x, it will be 3. So all the number values basically. Now what are terms? Terms are like the mix of, actually they're not always the mix of something, but terms are just all the values which are separated by a sign of operation, right? So if you take, so there are two terms which are, let's zoom in a little bit, why isn't it writing? Like and unlike terms, okay? So like terms are terms that can be added and subtracted, or they have the same base variable, okay? So by the same base variable, if you see in this example, we've got 3x and 2x, and they have got x at the end, so that's why they're like terms. However, if you have 3x and 2y, they're unlike terms and not like terms. If you take 4xy and 7xy, they're also like terms. But if you take unlike terms, you can take 3xy and 7xz are not like terms, meaning they are unlike terms. Let's zoom out a little bit. We've got three terms that we're going to be facing through this chapter, which is monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Monomial means one term, and that one term can be 3xy, because I took an example of 3xy. Binomial are two unlike terms, okay? So binomial expressions can have two unlike terms. So 3xy and 4xz. Trinomial expressions or trinomials can have three unlike terms. Remember, they all have to be unlike. If they're alike, then they're not a trinomial. Okay, so they have 3xy, 4z, for example, and 2a. Okay? Let's go like terms. Add and subtract only. So if you take unlike terms like 4z and 4a, they won't add or subtract. here I've took 4x plus 5x is equal to 9x. That can happen. But 5x plus 7y can't equal to 12xy, okay? That doesn't work like that. Adding two expressions. So here I've got two expressions, which is 2x minus y and 4y minus 3. So right now I'm adding those three expressions. First you want to keep all the like terms together so you can make it easy, so it will be easier to solve. So 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 1x because I've grouped them at one spot, and minus y plus 4y is going to be 3y. Subtraction is also very easy, but just a couple of things to note that when you subtract two expressions, you have to change the signs of one of them. So if you're subtracting 3xy from 5x, then you have to change the sign of them. So plus 3xy will become minus 3xy. This is a 3, by the way, okay? Minus 3xy and plus 5x will become minus 5x. And then you can solve it however you would. So 4xy minus 3xy is 1xy, and then 5x minus 5x will be minus 10x. With that, we have finished this chapter. It was very easy, but just a couple of things that to note. I will put all of these notes in the description box, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.